Do you struggle with redness, irritation, or even breakouts every time you wear makeup? Well, these are signs of sensitive skin. As the festive season hits, makeup can actually exacerbate these issues if you're not being careful. Hi, I'm Dr. Natasha Shetty, and here are 5 makeup tips for sensitive skin. Tip number 1. Never sleep with your makeup on. Let me repeat that again. Never. Use a gentle yet effective makeup remover like the Sensibio H2O, formulated with pharmaceutical-grade water with the highest safety and purity, which not only helps remove breakup but also pollutants and other impurities. Tip number 2. Hydration is crucial for sensitive skin. Choose a care cleanser like the Sensibio Gel Inside, which is formulated with amino acids and vitamin D. It provides 24-hour hydration and also prevents clogged pores. Tip number 3. Avoid makeup products with fragrances or harsh chemicals. Stick to products that are formulated for sensitive skin. Look for foundations labeled hypoallergenic or non-comedogenic. Tip number 4. Regularly clean your makeup brushes to prevent the buildup of bacteria that can actually irritate your skin. Tip number 5. Always patch test new makeup products to make sure they don't cause a reaction. And lastly, tip number 6. Apply very light, minimal makeup. A little can go a long way, while a lot of makeup can actually worsen your issue.